Mecca friends, it's Aya and I'm so excited to be unboxing and creating a gorgeous look. I am absolutely not a professional unboxer, but we're gonna get into this. Starting off with Tula Skincare, we've got a gorgeous cleanser. I'm so excited to try this from Dr. Dennis Gross. It's the Dewy Deep Cream. From Drunk Elephant, the Ceramide Eye Balm. Super cute little twistable moment. So good and easy to use. And the Brightening Sun Serum SPF 50 from Mecca Cosmetica. This I am so excited to try out. And absolutely, how could I forget the Dr. Dennis Gross Facewear Pro DRX Spectra Light limited edition in pink. I mean, this, I have been waiting to try this. I am just beyond excited. Moving on to the makeup elements. We've got the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. Look at how cute she is. To apply her, we have got the Mecca Cosmetica Wonder Complexion Brush. Let's get this out of the box. How freaking cute is this? And just give it a cute little tap and a brush. I love this. Keeping on the brush train, we've got for eyeshadow the Easy on the Eyes 4-piece eye brush set from Mecca Max. And last but definitely not least, the Mecca Cosmetica double-ended finishing brush. The brushes are so soft. I've got two shades of the By Terry Hyaluronic Hydra Concealer here. So I've got the 400 medium and the 500 medium dark. I feel like the 400 medium is gonna be my now shade and the 500 is gonna be my summer shade. Oh, guys, it's the one where you pump the back and the product literally comes out straight away. This is so exciting for me. Let's swatch this product on my hand. Oh my gosh, guys. That is so easy for application. Keeping on the base train, I've got the Mecca Max Off Duty Contour Stick. You twist it off and it's the cheek tint. And then the bottom is the cute little illuminator. So this is like the perfect product on a cute little summer day when you're, I don't know, kicking it at the beach, or you're going from the beach to dinner. You have this in your little handbag and you pop it out. You could do almost like a full face look. You could pop that tinted color on your lips, on your eyes, on your cheeks, and then illuminate all the little spots on your face. We cannot forget our freckles in summer, so we've got the Morphe 2 X Matte Freckle Pen here. I have been wanting to have a freckle pen for so long, so let's see if it lives up. I've got the shade Edit. Here we go. The tip on this is so fine, so I'm hoping to get really cute freckles with this. Let's see how we're going. Hopefully you can see that on my hand. Also from By Terry, we have their Growth Booster Mascara. I'm so excited to have a product that is growing my lashes while giving me full volume. We've got the Luster Glide Eyeliner from Shantae Kelly. I really hope I'm saying that right. Let's get it out. We have got here the shade Slate. This is the Stila Matte Lip Liner in the shade Enduring. And one of my favorite staple products from Mecca is the Gloss Boss Lip Gloss, but this time we have it in the shade I Pink So. I cannot believe I forgot to unbox this. We have the Too Faced Better Than Chocolate eyeshadow palette. My brother knows this palette. That is how good it is. So let's give it a go. Have I actually used this palette before? No, but I've seen so many reviews and so many looks and I was like, it is time I have this product, so I'm so happy it's in my hands today. This is the shade Sugar Rush. I'm gonna put one on each finger. This is the shade Bless Your Tart, Gold Digger. These even look good together. And the last one I'm gonna swatch is Milk It. Look at how cute those are, guys. What the heck? If you're like me and you have curls for days, these are the 3 products that I'm going to put you on from Mecca. We've got the Briogeo Superfoods 3-in-1 Leave-In Spray. You need this. That is all I'm gonna say. The Briogeo Curl Charisma Leave-In Defining Cream. This is such a good product. It's light when you apply it, a little goes a long way, and it's not gonna weigh your curls down. The Bumble and Bumble BB Curl Defining Cream. I have bought this product so many times because it never ever fails me. It's probably the best defining cream I have ever come across in my curly hair journey. That, guys, was the unboxing portion. Now let's get into the glam. Skincare is so important, so we're going in with the Purifying Face Cleanser from Tula. Pop it on with cleansed skin like this. There are 3 settings. There's a button here. You do need to charge it. That is the first setting. That is the second setting. And this is the third setting. I'm gonna leave it on the third setting, and after 3 minutes, it automatically just stops, which is like your 3-minute timer. So I'm gonna leave this on for 3 minutes and then come back. Now let's hydrate the skin. I'm using the eye balm from Drunk Elephant. I like to do my eye cream first before my moisturizer. I just feel like I can target my under eye hydration better that way. I love to apply a lot of moisturizer. My skin is very dry, so the more the merrier for me. Working with curls means you need to start with damp hair to apply product. We're going in with the 3-in-1 leave-in spray from Briogeo first. I like to work in sections just to make sure I get it all spread out. Next, we're going in with the leave-in defining cream Curl Charisma from Briogeo. And now we're going in with the BB Curl defining cream and giving it a cute little final shake through to make sure that product is all distributed really evenly. And now we get into the fun part, scrunching the hair and defining those curls. Starting off by using the Wonder Complexion Brush and the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. I'm gonna mix the contour sticks. We're going in with the cheek tint now. Going in now with the concealer from By Terry. I'm going to use the shade 400, which is medium. Pumping that product in, and I'm gonna start by applying the concealer on my under eyes first, and then I apply the corners of my lips, bottom, top, a little bit through here. I'm gonna go back with the double-ended finishing brush using the smaller, more defined side, and I'm just going to pat, pat, pat. And then we're gonna go into the under eyes and just really gently pressing that product in. I'm gonna use the gorgeous blue shimmer shade in Bless Your Tart all over the eyelid, and we're gonna give it a cute little cut creasy moment. First off, already the pigment is just wow, wow, wow. There's almost a purpley hue to this blue eyeshadow as well, which I'm loving. Popping in some of the Slate eyeliner into my waterline. It's kind of a silvery color, which is gonna be so cool against the blue. I popped off and dried my hair, and I'm literally so happy with the results. It's giving full volume and it's giving definition, and there is really not a lot of frizz going on, which is fabulous. Mascara is the By Terry, of course, and it's the mascara with the growth boost. Let's move on to our bold red lip. I'm gonna start with the Stila lip liner and just line my lips first. Let's add on the Gloss Boss lip gloss. It's giving so glam, and I'm here for it. I almost forgot, but let's add on some freckles with the freckle pen. Just before we fully top off the look and finish, I'm just gonna go back in with some of the illuminator just to highlight some of the points on my face with a natural cute little glow, just like that, super subtle. How much do we love this look? I am so obsessed with it. I'm gonna be repeating this look so many more times. I love the bold lip against the shimmer eye. I feel like it's just so beautiful. Everyone needs to go and get every single one of these products. And if you have curly hair, then definitely go grab those curly hair products as well. I love all of the products so much, and I seriously don't think I could pick a favorite. So you guys have to go and grab all of them, because if you're like me and you don't have a favorite because you simply can't choose one, why not get them all? But this is the final look. I love it with the hair. I love the shimmer and the bold lip together. I feel like everything just works so beautifully. I really hope you guys enjoyed this takeover, and thank you so much, Mecca, for having me.